Hey guys, so I'm finally getting my teeth brightened by my girl Amber with AP Diamond Bright. She is a legit professional teeth whitening service, and so she has a place you can come to her, but also she's mobile, which is amazing, especially if you're like me, you're busy, you got things going on, you can't always make it to a salon. So yeah, I'm about to get my teeth whitened. Okay, so literally she's here right now. I'm just gonna sit down on my couch in my home. Let me get comfy real quick. Okay, so tell me what's happening.
We're just gonna put some Vaseline on your lips. So when we put the mouth stretcher on, it doesn't, crack or pull your lips.
Okay. Ew, it's a lot.
I like to put a lot so that, they're gonna moisturize. You will be under the light for, 20-minute sessions each time. So I wanna make sure that I give you enough. So you ready for the mouth stretcher?
Yes.
Okay. So it's just gonna go on your lips, not on your teeth. Yes. Okay, now smile, lie down or... Okay, yeah, there we go. That looks good.
Oh, you're lying.
How does that feel?
Oh, my God. I'm drooling.
Okay.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. This is...
Okay. You're drilling and crying. Okay.
Oh, no, I can't stop. Oh, God.
Right, just
Yes, I had
Let's
internet.
be serious.
Okay, you're right. This is serious.
But no, that's funny. Like,
Okay, I had to get right quick because that was kind of... Sorry, I'm so unprofessional.
no. We're gonna drop vitamin E oil down your gum line, so it'll protect it from the bleach, just in case it gets on there.
Oh,
It feels weird, doesn't it? Girl, I thought the same thing the first time I got it done. I was like, ew, that's never been caressed. Never had my gums caressed. Your teeth are so pretty though. Like, I can tell that you take care of your teeth and you floss. That's the most thing like I see with adults that don't really floss. And you have good gums and beautiful teeth.
thank you.
You're welcome.
So, yeah.
So now I'm just gonna dry your teeth off.
Okay.
Your teeth are so pretty. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, because most of it is just the lighting session, so...
Huh?
Oh.
They open at 8. Call them before I wake up. Hear me?
Just leave that on there for a second,
Okay.
Call them
and then you can rinse it all out.
Oh. They're so bright. Okay.
So bright. They're like so bright.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Amber, for coming by and giving me these diamond brights. Look at my teeth. They look so good. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Thank you.